Hey everyone, thank you for joining our External Secrets community meeting. It's been a while since our last community meeting. Our last community meeting was scheduled on the 25th September. So thanks for joining. I wanted to have this community meeting to discuss something we've been discussing asynchronously, which is the fact that the project is growing too big and we cannot properly maintain it. Recently, we added a deprecation policy mechanism for us to deprecate. And as part of that, maintainers need to vote or to create a proposal of what we want to release. Lucas, I think your audio is kind of like the street
Is
is
that
going.
coming from you?
I think it is. Yep. Thank you. Thank you. So here is the HackMD. The first topic, which is the one why I call this community meeting, is deprecating the OLM release. Long story short, we are releasing too many things. One of the most that are the most troublesome, the ones that require the most time to do it, is the OLM. It is a bunch of hacks put together, and we really cannot do it properly. We don't have enough knowledge on OpenShift to know which channels to use, etc. This led to several users complaining to us whenever we do a release. It, in my opinion, just does not make sense for us to keep it. So I am proposing for us to deprecate it. Go on, Greg.
I don't know if you noticed, there is now also a new pull request from the person who contributed the secret Helm operator, Rael Garcia, and that has a lot of changes, like 7,000 something for multi-arc, and then the file-based catalog, and there's a catalog now that you can fill. I have zero confidence in reviewing that, using that, like updating it. Like, there's so much new stuff on that.
I agree.
No visibility on it.
I agree. My opinion, I wouldn't even be able to also review it. To be fair, it's kind of the points like, yeah, this was a community operator, which was cool, but I don't think we really can support it any longer. At least that's my own take. Uh, as part of the deprecation, I put as an
Gustavo, just
on.
language is important. Like we are still maintaining the operator, not just release.
The OLM operator, we're not supporting it. This is actually a binary. We need to
The
create a
Helm
binary.
operator. Yeah.
Yes, the OLM operator, it's been a while since we don't maintain it. It's been like that since the first deployment of it. I am pretty sure it contains several security issues. OLM Helm operator is not part of our release at all. Thank you for language, but I just want to
Yeah.
clarify there is a binary that we are not updating and people should know it.
Wait,
Having said
so
that,
am I confusing something here? So the are we talking about external secrets ham operator?
the
Yes.
Helm operator is a binary that is not the external secrets operator binary, and we
Yes.
just trust the binary that already exists. We do not build it, we do not maintain it, we are not pushing any library bumps on it anywhere within our code base. Lucas.
Yeah.
I see. So we just basically update the manifest that it deploys instead of updating the ham operator itself, which this
Exactly.
PR now does that Rael just put out. Yeah, yeah, I
I
understand.
think the PR itself doesn't even add. Lucas, the cars on the street are noisy. Sorry.
Is that
Thank you.
is that the cars, or is that like a washing machine?
He he lives by the autobahn, that's why. So it's like.
Oh God.
No, just
I
kidding.
see.
But yeah, this PR basically creates more catalogs, more releases, more images. And to be fair, I don't think we can support it. So I am not comfortable of taking that release because we are the ones that are going to need to bump it afterwards.
Hmm.
That's why I brought the deprecation of OLM completely as part of this PR.
So
Yeah.
you're
So
suggesting to archive the repository, basically.
Archived repository, ping Ryoga saying, hey Ryoga, if you want to fork it, feel free to fork it. We can communicate to OpenShift operator that you are the new releaser of this. You have the full responsibility, but we ourselves are not really going to maintain it anymore as part of external secrets.
Yeah, that's absolutely fair.
okay. So every time that I unmute, you hear
We
a lot of
hear a lot of
noise.
cars. Yes, when cars are passing by the street. But yeah,
It's not cars. I think it's my fan. But yeah. Um, just wanted to say, like, if people fork it, that was the initial problem. That I guess someone did this custom thing, and they were having problems to get it accepted, like in the Red Hat repositories, and then they asked us to accept it in our organization. Um, like, I'm still like, I'll probably vote for yes to deprecate, but like, I'm just want to think about what that means if people want to maintain this themselves.
they should have been maintainers of external secrets operator. We've been calling for maintainers for more than a year now.
Yeah.
So
And then if people want to join and like maintain it internally, that's an option also, right?
that is an option also, but they need to step up. We cannot support all community features that are added just because it would be cool. We do
Yeah.
not have the energy. We
That
do
that's
not have
fair.
And also, I suggest then taking it out of our own release process, like
exactly.
updating for new external secrets versions should be the concern of the one maintaining the ham operator.
Yes, I agree. And like I have a conversation with Red Hat tomorrow, I think. And like the other thing I would like to push is for Red Hat to maintain this, like their teams, because it's basically a release for OpenShift. Like even though some people use OLM on vanilla Kubernetes, not a lot of people do that.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
mainly OpenShift. So the value is for folks that are using OpenShift. So if Red Hat can maintain and like also maintain the channels and all that, or help us in a way, that could be awesome
In
because
any
then it's not like a
case,
community maintaining anyway. So yeah,
I would say that for the repository itself that is based on Helm operator, there are several
wouldn't live.
reasons why we should archive it anyways. Creating a Helm operator is a bad practice, is a hack. So even if we go for a more definitive approach, even if it is on external secrets organization, it should be maintained by people. That repository should be maintained by people that will only care about it. And it is completely outside of the external secrets operator release process.
Agree.
Now I would
agreed.
like to call for a vote. We have 3 out of the 5 maintainers here. I cannot vote because I did the proposal. Are you in favor or against deprecating OLM?
In favor.
And with that, we get majority. So I will take the action to do all of the send messages on external secrets for the community to know, adding a note to our most latest release note saying that OLM Helm operators will not be released any further in their current state. If anyone wants to step in, please feel free to DM us. Doing all of these communication shenanigans. In 2 weeks, I will put by the end of December. If no one steps in to own it in whatever the way, I am pre-marking that date, end of December, to archive the repository completely.
Okay.
Good?
Yes.
Awesome. That was the point that I wanted to address. With that, do we have any other topics within the agenda?
I don't have anything.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, then. In that case, we can make a short community meeting for a change. Thank you for
We
joining.
should. I think even the ones that we had in September, we didn't upload them, right?
They are not on my drive. Probably they are on yours. Or were on yours,
Oh,
and we cannot upload it anymore. Life
yeah,
happens.
we can check.
Yeah, but this one I
Yeah.
will upload it for sure. As soon as it finishes, I will upload it. But yeah,
Okay.
thank you all for joining and for listening. That's kind of the nature of open source, right? Open source should grow, but also should prune whenever we think it makes sense.
Yeah.
So thank you for joining and supporting my request. Cheers. Let me
Take
stop
care. Bye
recording
bye.
now.
Bye bye.
Where's the button? Where's the button? Stop recording. Found. Bye.